Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a kill brick. Now what a kill brick is it's basically a brick where if something that has a humanoid touches it, then it gets killed. So all players have humanoids, so if a player touches it, then it will get killed. And this is especially useful for obbies because you're going to have all those kill bricks, those red bricks that you have to hop over. So if you're excited, please like and subscribe and let's get started. Alright, so first what we want to do is we want to create a kill brick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a red color. I'm going to change the scale and make it a little bit wide. This is going to be my kill brick. So if something touches this with a humanoid, it's going to kill them. So that's what I'm going to code. So let me explain what a humanoid and all of that is. So basically you have your character right here. Your character is the thing in workspace with a model that has your name on it. And if you expand this character, you can see that it has a humanoid. What is a humanoid? It's basically something that you give to all characters. What this humanoid thing has is it has something called health. And if you set this health to 0, what do you think it's going to do? It's going to kill me. So what we're going to do as a scripter is we're going to get access to this humanoid and we're going to set the health to 0. But we're only going to do that after you touch this red brick right here. Okay, so time to script this thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a script right inside of the kill brick. And I'm just going to call this kill brick. And now what we're going to do is we need to access this kill brick. So we need to tell the script that this red thing right here is the kill brick. And to do that, we're going to say local kill brick equals script.parent. So what is this saying? It's basically saying get the parent of the script. So the script thing is this thing right here. Whenever you write script, it's the current script that you're working with. Script.parent is the parent of the script. So if this is a script, then the parent must be the thing that's coming above it in the Explorer. The thing that's indented with the arrow coming out. So that's the parent. Now what we got to do is we have to say killbrick.touched connect function hit. So what this is saying is basically saying whenever something touches this kill brick, then do whatever is in between this and that line. So whatever code is in here is going to run whenever this kill brick is touched. So I'm just going to print hi here just to show you. And let's see. So now if I go to the kill brick, you'll see it's saying hi all over the place. Okay, so now instead of printing hi, what we need is we need to set the humanoid's health to 0. So to do that, we have to make sure the thing that touched the brick actually has a humanoid. To do that, we're going to say local humanoid equals hit.parent find first child humanoid. So what this is saying is it's saying something touched it, and that thing that touched it, we're going to call it hit, and hit.parent, if that thing has a humanoid, then store that humanoid inside this variable. So now all we got to do is we have to say if humanoid then, and then if a humanoid exists inside of whatever touched it, just set the health to 0. So if the humanoid exists, set the health equal to 0. So now we're going to try it, and it should set my health to 0, and bam. There you go. Pretty short tutorial, pretty simple. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial and you want more, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.